Number 1. Let's start with the 1947 Dodge Coupe, listed for $4,000 in Las Vegas, NV. This classic project car has traveled only 777 miles and features an automatic transmission with a blue exterior. The engine has been swapped to a 318 and it will start and run, but the fuel tank needs to be cleaned. The car comes with a clean title, making it a solid foundation for a restoration project. Keep in mind, the seller is straightforward. They won't respond to generic inquiries about availability, so serious buyers only. Number 2. Next up is the 1956 Plymouth Plaza, available for $8,500 in Hendersonville, TN. This car has traveled 70,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The exterior is white and the interior is a striking turquoise. It's a really fun car with the original 230 flat 6 engine and a 3-on-the-tree transmission. There are some rust spots, especially around the back window, and the car has developed a leaky wheel cylinder, so you'll need a trailer. Despite these issues, it's a charming vintage vehicle that's ready for someone with a little time and energy to bring it back to life. Number 3. Now, let's look at a 1957 Ford Fairlane 4-door, listed for $4,500 in Las Vegas, NV. This car comes with an automatic transmission and a blue exterior paired with a gray interior. According to the seller, the vehicle is in perfect condition, only needing a paint job. It runs strong and is described as a great classic car with a clean title, making it a promising option for anyone looking for a reliable vintage ride. Number 4, moving on, we have a 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190D, available for $4,000 in Boulder City, NV. This car has 57,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. The exterior is off-white and the interior is green. It's a complete car, but it's a restoration project. The car needs a water pump, and while it does turn over and run, the ignition needs some work. It comes with a Nevada title, making it a potentially rewarding project for a classic car enthusiast. Number 5. Next is a 1963 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron hardtop, priced at $10,000 in Las Vegas, NV. This car has traveled 53,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a black-on-black color scheme. It has been in storage for over 34 years and is started once a month. The car needs a repaint, and the air conditioning requires conversion to R134 or charging with R12. It's equipped with dual AC, a very rare option, and brand new tires. The interior is near perfect with black leather and almost every option available at the time. With some attention to the paint and AC, this could be a luxurious classic cruiser. Number 6. Check out this 1963 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $4,000 in Euless TX. It features an automatic transmission and a white exterior with a blue interior. The car is all original, with a 390 big block engine that runs and drives but needs significant engine work. There is no major rust, only surface rust, and the car comes with fender skirts stored in the trunk. It has a clear Texas title, making it a strong candidate for someone interested in restoring a classic Thunderbird. Number 7. Here's a 1963 Mercury Comet priced at $6,000 in Waxahachie TX. This car has traveled 25,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a blue exterior and interior. It runs and drives, and comes with factory-installed air conditioning, though it might need a charge. The rear bumper has a dent from being loaded onto a trailer. The car has a clean title, and the seller is open to trading for a Road King, provided pictures and information are exchanged. Number 8. Let's look at the 1964 Buick Skylark Special Deluxe. available for $6,300 in Albuquerque, NM. This car has traveled 79,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is silver and the interior is blue. The car is in excellent condition, all original, with all lights and glass intact. It has been kept in a garage under a cover its entire life, making it a great car to drive with a Fireball V6 engine that offers great gas mileage. This Skylark is ready to cruise and could be a fantastic project for someone looking to drop in a V8 and create a muscle car. Number 9. Next, we have a 1964 Cadillac DeVille Sedan 4D listed for $2,500 in Las Vegas, NV. This car features an automatic transmission and a matching off-white exterior and interior. The car has been owned by multiple people and is a good running vehicle with no smoke. It does have a leaky freeze plug in the block, but it's a great parts car with everything intact. Number 10. Let's check out the 1969 Cadillac El Dorado Coupe 2-door, priced at $6,000 in Denton TX. This car has an automatic transmission and a brown exterior with an off-white interior. The clean title is a plus, and it's been in storage in Sanger TX. The previous owner had the transmission redone, and the current owner had the engine rebuilt with some upgrades, though it hasn't been installed yet. The car needs some finishing touches, including painting, but it could be a great project for someone willing to put in the effort. Number 11. Finally, we have the 1969 Mercury Marauder X100, available for $9,000 in Mount Juliet, TN. This car has traveled 62,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a red exterior and black interior. It's in excellent condition, with the seller having had it painted, added new tires, a carburetor, re-chromed bumpers, and new carpet. The bottom of the front seat and the dash have been redone, and a NOS/AM radio kit has been installed. The car does have vacuum-operated lights that occasionally snag, and the AC hasn't been used, though the heat works fine. The seller is asking for $9,000 cash and encourages local buyers near Nashville to drive the car and take it home if they like it.